Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to make moving animation on Adobe Premiere Pro app. So firstly I will enter a video on Adobe Premiere Pro app. So we will select a symbol and go to position and click on position. After that we will add a keyframe. Click on video keyframe. So here is video keyframe and we will drag and drop middle. After that we will move this arrow on this video and increase the number of position. So this arrow is moving slowly and we will up and down this arrow. After that we will play this video. Click on play button. So this arrow has been moving successfully. So in this way we can add moving animation on Adobe Premiere Pro app.